Okay, here we have my Lakewood P23 box fan unplugged. Well, first I'm going to test it running against today's Lasco box fan. Right there. And we'll see what this sucker can do. Full blast. If you don't believe me, here's the cord. Okay, that's enough. Take our competition out of the way. And we'll move on to my Corvair. Okay, now for my Corvair. See if the Corvair can outrun a P23. Alright, here we go. Hi. Not bad. After running counterclockwise turning blades made of aluminum. Even though this fan coasted to a nice stop, I still put 3-in-1 inside of it. An oil port, which, in case you're wondering, is right there. Right there. Anyway, I'm going to put on the luckily they just click into place. Alright. There it is, Corvair. Okay, now we'll do a test. I believe the bearings might be shot a little bit. Noisy bearings. Low. Starting off on low. Medium. Now watch high. Off.